Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to access your visualization through a web browser on your computer. To do this, your computer must be connected to the same network as the PLC. It is also necessary that the application containing the web visualization has already been downloaded to the controller. Now first, I'll log in to the PLC. Now note that the application must be in run mode since the visualization is served by the controller while the application is running. Once those requirements are met, open your preferred web browser, then enter the IP address of the controller followed by the web visualization port and page name. Now our PLC IP address is 192.168.14.65. Now for the port, which is 8080 webvisu.htm. After pressing enter, the browser will connect to the controller and load the visualization page. If we go back to Master Tool in the WebVisu object, you can see that the file name webvisu.htm is configured within Master Tool. You can find this setting under the web visualization configuration, and from here you can change the HTML file name if you want to use a different page name for your application. Once the page loads, you'll be able to interact with the visualization directly from the browser, allowing you to monitor and control the application without installing any additional software on the computer. In the next videos, we will look at how to improve the visualization layout and adjust the screen so that it fits better within the browser window and provides a better user experience.